Namaste, welcome. Here is the complete detail of installation for 7.5 kV off-grid solar. Total panel size is 6 kilowatt. You can see 16 panels mounted on 3 separate structures. The separation was made because of shaded area in between. Now this arrangement allows maximum sunlight to fall on panels and there is no shade. 7.5 kVA PCU and 380 watt monocrystalline panels. They are from Luminous. The other components are DCDB, ACDB, earthing, solar wire, MC4Y connectors, lightning arrestor. Structure design is of pillar, rafter and purlin. You can see 3 sets of pillars here, on which rafters are attached. Pillars of first setup, they are designed to take load of 2 rows of panels comfortably. Covered with concrete. Next, 3 rafters are mounted on pillars. These are the rafters. Purlins are fixed horizontally on the rafters. These are at distances that match the holes behind the panels. There are 4 purlins on which 2 rows of panels can sit. You can see the purlins here. Panels are mounted on C-channel purlins with screws in 4 holes of each panel. Here you can see 2 rows of panels mounted on 4 purlins. Panels are connected so as to get 96 volts theoretical output. At first 4 panels are connected in series by connecting positive of one panel to the negative of another panel. Next, each set of these 4 panels are connected in parallel to make an output of 96 volts. Each panel has 2 holes for earth. These earths of all panels are connected and they are terminating at the DC. You can see wires from all 4 sets coming into the DCDB. These are the wires running below the panels, secured properly. Let us look at the DCDB in more detail. This is a 4-in 1-out DCDB. It contains fuses on the left side, black colored. This is for the positive wires. Then there is a terminal connector for negative wires, white colored. Then surge protection device, SPD, gray colored. Then DC MCB 2-pole on the right side. This is inside an IP67 covering for waterproofing. Four red positive wires from each series string are coming into the SPD. 4 negative wires, black wires, are connected to the terminal block. All the wires are 6 square mm. Ground wire from all the panels is connected to one terminal of the SPD and the other terminal is connected to the earth. Finally, the output wires from DCDB going to be PV input to PCU are taken from DC MCB. These are 10 square mm wires. 8 batteries are connected in series to get a 96 volts output. 16 square mm goes into the PCU. This is the AC distribution box to protect PCU from current surge and over voltage as well as protect the load. ACDB has SPD, voltage controller and MCB. Wires from mains inputs are connected to the terminals on the left side. SPD1 is connected to the earthing of inverter. SPD2 is connected to the earthing pit. Input to the inverter is taken from the voltage controller. Output from PCU goes to MCB and output to load is taken from the terminals on the right. Lightning arrestor is fixed at 3 meter height above the panel. Earthing is an important part of the installation. We have taken 3 earths, one for panel, one for the AC inverter side and one for the lightning arrestor. 6 square copper cable runs from each of these points. You can see 3 earthing cables insulated and running to separate pits. Each earthing pit is more than 1 meter apart. System up and running.